Good. Hello guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again and I'm going to make pumpkin punch this time. With my pumpkin punch, I'm going to use 1 carrot. I'm going to use a Malta. I'm going to use a Supligen. Sweeten it with my condensed milk. I have my almond over here. And I have my cinnamon, nutmeg, and mixed spice. I have it right here. And my water on the fire, I'm going to top it up with some sugar and salt to cook down my pumpkin and my carrot. And here I have a cinnamon stick. Yes, I'm going to add to my water. And over here, I have the vanilla in this container. So, journey with me. Okay, I'm going to wash my pumpkin and my carrot and I will be right back. I'm going to take the cut from my pumpkin with a spoon and then I can use a knife. Okay, there. Okay. Take out some more out here. I'm not gonna cut my hand. I used to this thing, right? Take out some out of here. If you like what I'm doing, please, I'm asking you, please like, subscribe, and share. And you can leave a comment down below and let me know how much I'm doing. Okay? I appreciate if you do that for me. Just like my video and subscribe and share. Okay, guys? Okay, I have water on the fire. So I'm gonna add my pumpkin and a carrot to my boiling water. I'm gonna put 1 spoonful of sugar with some salt. I'm also gonna put my cinnamon stick. Okay? And I'm gonna 20 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, this is my pumpkin and my carrot, very soft. I also put a piece of ice for it to really cool because you know I'm going to put it in my blender and I don't want it too hot. I'm going to remove my cinnamon stick and then I take it to my blender. Stay tuned. You can smell the cinnamon stick. Smell very nice. My Suppligent. I had my Malta. Add my cinnamon powder, my mixed spice, and my nutmeg. Okay. I'm also gonna put a little almond. Oh. And my vanilla. Okay. Also gonna put my sweetened milk. Okay. Very nice. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna throw it into this container. Here my 2 glass with ice. Okay. Me and my camera girl gonna drink. And my husband come in. He's tired. He's sleeping. I'm not gonna wake him. Oh, good. Nice. Mm. Wow. Mm. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, please, and share with your friend. Okay? Bye-bye.